I'm gonna do a quick run through. I'm doing this in the table inside in my den. But anyway, so there's a locking tool that comes with the comp cams, phaser limiter, blockout. So basically, use a ratchet. It goes into this section right here. Okay, and then you'll put it on the pivot area or the pivot bolt. The pivot bolt goes through there in that area there. Excuse me, not the pivot, the pin bolt. Okay, the pin bolt, that's important. So the pin bolt, it goes through this section here. When this covered up, all right, it goes through, that's the pin bolt. All right, so basically this locking tool, you rotate it away, you rotate the spring to access getting the locking spring or the locking tool, okay, to hold the spring back. Okay, I'm hoping you can understand that. Then, all right, this one you just rotate it half a turn, okay? The other ones you take off, all right? Then you grab the limiter tool, all right? Slide it in like so. This one comes back, all right? And then reinsert the bolts to torque specs. And that's pretty much all she wrote.